Do most Airbnbs come with a cleaning service? That is a great question, and we're going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by turnovercleaningtips.com, and that is a website for all of the house cleaners and the Airbnb hosts that do the turnover service to get it ready for the guest before they come. So they do all of the cleaning, they change the linens, they make the beds, they put on all the lights, and they make sure the keys are where they're supposed to be, and they decorate the house and make sure there's shampoo and conditioner and all those things. So it's staging, it's cleaning, it's creating the ambiance as a guest that you expect when you arrive. It's called turnover service. So turnovercleaningtips.com. Now, I would like to share with you this. On the website, there's an area called gifts. And if you stay at an Airbnb and you love your host and you want to get them a little something extra, these are the kind of gifts that hosts love. All right, on to today's show, which is from a person that's going to stay at an Airbnb, and they want to know, does it come with a cleaning service? Okay, there is a cleaning service that comes between every guest, and that's called turnover service. They're going to get the place ready for the next guest. But there's not a mid-stay cleaning that is typically provided with a short-term stay. Now, a long-term stay, which is more than 5 days, usually does have some kind of a cleaning service that will either provide extra towels or extra sheets, or maybe they pick up the laundry or something like that. And they will give you rules and regulations for a long-term stay. Now, lots of people that have a multi-week, let's say that it's 2 or 3 or 4 weeks, they have a mandatory cleaning that they say, just in order to maintain our house, we're going to come in every week and clean the place. And so that does include part of the, cleaning service, and you are charged for that. So it comes with the contract. It's not included in the price because you do have to pay extra for the cleaning because they have to hire an extra cleaning service to still come in and maintain the house. If they didn't, suddenly this place would look like your place. Not saying you're a slob, but some people kind of take liberties when they're out on the road. So in order to maintain the property so that when you leave, it's right back to where it was without a whole bunch of serious cleaning. So mid-stay cleans are what they're called, and that's for long-term stays. And that's like 5 days and beyond. And usually even within a week period, all they're going to give you are extra towels and extra linens. They don't actually come in and clean. They may come and take the trash away. So it's going to be something simple. But most Airbnbs or most vacation rentals will have a closet or a set of cleaning supplies. And in there should be a multi-purpose cleaner, a glass cleaner, there should be a vacuum and a mop, there should be the basics. So if you find yourself in a situation where you made a mess, you should be able to clean it up and make it back to new before you leave. And that way you're not going to be charged extra for an extra cleaning or a cleaning deposit or whatever that was extra because it didn't fall in the categories of whatever you paid for. So most Airbnbs will clean up between, long-term stays, and they do absolutely clean up between every short-term stay. Absolutely. But if you're just there for a couple days, 3-4 days, kind of know you're kind of on your own. So check with the rules and regulations for every property that you stay at, because every host has the ability to change their rules just a little bit. But for the most part, there's not a maid, there's not a person that's going to come every day and make your bed. They're not going to do turn down service. They're not going to bring you goodies every day. They're not going to restock your mini bar. I mean, once you're there and you're kind of on your own. Alrighty, if you found this tip helpful, please share it with a friend. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.